Meaning of deliquesce.
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 Deliquesce. The word deliquesce refers to the process in which a solid substance absorbs moisture from the air until it dissolves and forms a liquid solution. When a substance deliquesces, it becomes visibly wet and eventually turns into a puddle or a solution. This process usually occurs when the humidity in the air is high enough to saturate the substance, and it is commonly observed with certain salts and chemicals, such as calcium chloride or potassium hydroxide. Overall, deliquescence can be described as the transformation of a solid material into a liquid form due to moisture absorption.